I just had 312. It's a class on probability, and I'm waiting for Esteban right now. He's asking some questions to the professor.
Dogs. Go dogs. Oh.
Just walk with me. Hey.
Well, I gotta say, you are awesome.
God bless you.
It's
man.
nice meeting you.
I've been doing it for as long as you've been living.
Well,
It's time to go home. Usually what I do is after my first class, I go back to my apartment. In the living room we have a desk, so me and Esteban studies there for 3 hours, and then we go to our next class. Hey Esteban, you should become a sperm donor.
Sure.
Oh no, inspections are coming. Inspections always come around midterm time. Who's gonna have time to clean when we have exams to prepare? Such bullshit. That is Paul Allen School of Engineering building, and I study there most of the time. And that's chemistry building where I study biochemistry.
The video.
But I can't, like I'm running out of battery. Check this out. Me and Esteban are on our way to teach CSE 143 section. It's on Intro to Java Programming. Damn it.
And we get money, bro.
I'm gonna put that in my video.
You wanna say hi to the camera?
Hey.
Spanish.
Hashtag college life.
You guys still smell this?
No, it just smells like whatever you're spraying.
That's strong. I told you.
Oh, that's so strong. Oh my god, look at this infinite loop.
Was it meant to be like that?
No. Programming is like this for me sometimes. First, you have a couple of bugs, and then you try to fix it. Not only does it not work, it gets worse. And now you have more bugs.
Hey Isis, how's it going? And then like suddenly I saw this thingy, this little animal that jumps immediately into the tree, like the tree rabbit thingy.
Tree rabbit?
Yeah, the tree rabbit, the thing that goes into the tree, like it's a little rabbit.
Squirrel? You mean squirrel?
Oh, squirrel.
If you see something, say
Tree
something.
rabbit.
These are clever words of Aristoteles. You know who is Aristoteles?
Aristotle?
Yeah. It's a famous philosopher. He was my grandpa.
Look, see if you can record it. It's pretty intense on the cloud.
I can't see it.
But you cannot see that cloud? It seems like a cloud of atoms or something like that.
A cloud of bugs.
A cloud of